Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can open up a Handshake account. In order to do so, here we are at joinhandshake.com. And what is Handshake all about? Well, careers start here. If you are looking for a better career social network built for Gen Z, you can come here to joinhandshake.com in order to get started. Got a variety of testimonials we can take a look at. Almost 1 million employers with opportunities to land that first, second, and third job. Jobs and internships you actually want. 1,500 plus career centers helping their students from day one. Meet real employers at events online, in messages, and in real life. So how do we get started? Well, what we want to do is we want to come up to the top right hand corner. You can see here where it says sign up. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And in order to get started, we are going to enter in our email address here. You are going to want to use your EDU email if you have one, although it's not necessary. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.